All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at yet another all-in-one vocal mixing plugin, production plugin, if you will. Very simple to use one. This one's great for beginners, professionals alike. Very simple controls, as you'll see here in a minute as I play some demo sounds. This is by Kit Plugins. There'll be links down in the video description below for this. So this is NOIZ One Vox, as they call it. They say NOIZ One is the powerful yet simple vocal plugin designed to streamline the entire vocal mixing process with intuitive interface and smart adaptive processing. It delivers pro quality results fast. Whether you're enhancing clarity, adding creative effects, or shaping dynamics from de-essing and tonal balance to lush reverbs and effects. It's the all-in-one workflow, makes achieving quality mix of ready vocals effortless. All right, so anyways, let's check it out here on some things and let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, do check out my playlist of, I don't know how many plugins. I got so many vocal plugins in here now. It's getting crazy. We got Quick Vox, we got the Pulsar Vocal Studio, Xvox, Xvox Pro, Vox Guru, a bunch of other ones in here. Anyways, let's check this thing out. Check out the playlist if you wish to check out some other ones. This is another plugin for your consideration. So here we go. Very simple layout. Like I said, we got some presets here. Got some multi-effects only ones for guitars and pianos and strings as well, and synth and vocals. But let's just go through some vocal presets here. We got some collaborator presets, some team presets. I guess this is for the people from the company. Vocal pop. We got A and B here, so we can switch between different ones. We got an undo, redo, in case we want to go through that. We got our size of the plugin here and things like that. Also have a light mode and dark mode. And then we have our de-esser, echo, verb, and effects. We could all turn off, on and off down here. We have our input. We have our bright. This is the EQ. This is what's very interesting about this plugin. It has bright or not so bright. And same with the compression. We have this one knob for the compression here, and there's a gain reduction knob you'll see here. We do have some effects down here, so we have another compressor, up and down compression. We have distortion. We have a doubler for the two kind of vocals, and like a double or a four, I guess. This is 4 times. The verb, we got some different styles down here. Medium hall, non-lin, plates, echo room, and gymnasium. Then with the echoes, we have dark echoes and normal echoes. And we have different tempo syncs for those. And then de-esser down here, we got 3 different frequencies we can choose from. And the amount knobs are here on these as well, like the dry, wet knob. For those, as I said, we could turn those on and off. Let's just check it out here. So this is before.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No.
Turn it on.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more.
Not too much reduction here, so we could blend that up a little bit.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why. No more. No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No.
So as I go through some of the controls here, you can see it's getting brighter when I use the brightness EQ. And then the echoes too, we have the normal, which is brighter, and then we have the darker delays, not reverb, but delays here. And we have the verb. Right now we have it set to a plate. Let's go through some of these. Medium hall, dial it in real exaggerated in a second.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more.
And we have the distortion on the vocals as well.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more.
Or we could do the double.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns, no more saying that you want to when you.
So, like I said, very simple controls, very easy to get your stuff dialed in quickly. There's some craziest stuff we could do with the effects as well. And like I said, we turn those on and off. You can just use the effects if you want on. They have set settings for different instruments as well, or just throw it on a bus somewhere and experiment with it. Let's just test it out here. Some of their other presets, vocal wrap. They got settings for male and female vocals, I do believe. Rock vocals. These are just, I guess, not generic, but for either or. I thought I saw someone here just for female vocals. Good vocal bus, lead vocal 1.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more.
Maybe they don't have ones for. I thought they did. Maybe they got another plugin, perhaps. Yeah, they got male, pop vocals, background vocals, lead vocal pop, rock vocals. Play it with some music.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdown, no more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie, no more questioning my answers, no more wondering why.
So like I said, very quick, dial in some stuff here.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdown, no more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie, no more questioning my answers, no more wondering why. No more, no more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdown, no more saying.
And there you go. Sometimes I just push it to extremes. I wouldn't put that much delay in this vocal here, but just test it out, experiment, have some fun with it. I like it. It's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please do check out my other videos floating around the screen here. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog, all kinds of stuff. Check out the playlist of vocal plugins as well. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.
No more twisting